Every morning feels like a blessing, doesn't it?
Yes, and today feels special. Amma, do you think our candles will really sell?
If they carry love, they will shine anywhere. Slowly, don't rush the wax.
Like dreams, right?
Exactly like dreams.
Look at the colors, Amma.
Even wax becomes beautiful with patience.
Like building a dream?
The center must be steady so the flame stands strong.
It looks magical.
Patience turns simple things into beauty. A good fragrance stays in memory.
It feels like we're sealing our wishes inside. Wow, so many pretty molds.
Different shapes, same light.
They feel so nice.
Yes, they hold the light beautifully. Different shapes, same light.
Like us, Amma.
Just like us, my dear.
They're so pretty. It's so peaceful.
We created our own light.
It's so peaceful.
We created our own light.
They look beautiful, don't they?
They carry our hard work. That makes them shine.
I hope people feel it too.
They will. Then we will still stand with dignity. Confidence is the first sale.
This one, it's so pretty!
You chose my favorite.
No, we earned our first belief. This is more than money.
You should rest.
Just one more batch.
Why do you work so hard?
Because light is built in the dark.
It's growing. Now the whole world can see our light. It still feels unreal.
Every dream looks empty in the beginning.
And now?
Now, it's waiting to be filled with light.
These are handmade?
Yes, with love. Each one is unique, just like dreams.
I'll take this one. Certainly. Let me get that for you. Do you remember our first 500 rupees?
Yes, and the hope in your eyes. You made it. No, we made light.